Hi, I'm Millie. I'm one of the 6-year apprentices at Ashtons Legal. I'm currently in the lifetime planning team. I'm 3 years into my apprenticeship and I've done stints in commercial property and personal injury. What made me choose the apprenticeship route was that I was initially looking at university and at the time I was working at a different law firm because I'd taken a gap year. So I was looking at university and I just thought I wouldn't get the practical experience that I was getting at the time working in a law firm. I was working as a legal assistant, so I thought, you know, what would be a good way to kind of get the extra experience as well as doing your bachelor's degree or learning the practical side and the kind of legal knowledge that you need. So I started looking into apprenticeships, learned more about them. And I thought that's probably the route for me. A university didn't appeal to me too much, so that was kind of, I thought that was a good fit for me. I love working with clients from day to day, so from day one in my apprenticeship I was given the opportunity to speak to clients through the phone or through email or through letters. It starts off with kind of less, you don't go to client meetings straight away, you kind of get nudged into it. And then as your apprenticeship progresses, you get to go to more client meetings. And I've now had the chance to lead my own client meetings, which was amazing. A lot of responsibility, but it really helped bettering my interpersonal skills, which are obviously a crucial skill to have as a solicitor. So yeah, I really enjoy it and it lets you meet a lot of different people. I think a huge skill that's really important as a solicitor apprentice is time management. Obviously you are learning, you're doing your bachelor's degree while also working as part of a team who really depend on you to be able to do your job, because to them you're not just studying, you know, the clients are paying for your time, so you need to be able to utilise that time and make sure that you're kind of making the best of it while not neglecting your studying at the same time. So it's just kind of a balancing act, but you do get better at it as you go on in your apprenticeship, because I definitely wasn't at the start. But yeah, I think time management is a good one. Also, your interpersonal skills, really important, being able to talk to clients, because again, to them, you're just part of the team, you're not studying, they're paying for you as a professional, so being able to have good client skills is also really important. I do think the client contact surprised me. I didn't think that I would be able to, in my 3rd year, meet clients and be able to take the meetings myself. That really surprised me about the apprenticeship. Being able to draft documents, so I get to draft the wills now. They are obviously checked, but I'm given kind of more responsibility to draft the documents after I've taken the meetings. I've been to lots of properties in lifetime planning, which I didn't think that we did, so that was a really interesting aspect of it. So that's probably what surprised me most, is the client contact that you get kind of in straight away. I'd definitely say in your application, let your personality come through, because there's such a high volume of applicants. If you're just saying the same thing that everyone else is saying, you're not going to stand out. You need to really talk about why you'd be a good fit for the firm, why you want to do law. I think my big tip is probably going on the website and looking at what the firm's ethos is, maybe in the Legal 500, what cases they've done, kind of their main departments, and then link that into how you kind of work and what your kind of core values are. So linking those together, I think, is a good idea.